Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Purvottanasana, that is upward plank pose. This asana strengthens your wrist and arms and also stretches your shoulders and ankles. To practice, start with sitting sthiti, that is Dandasana. Place both the hands behind your back and lift your hip as high as possible, stretching your neck backward and look up. Maintain with normal breathing. Exhale and release and relax in Dandasana. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.